Okay.
Goddamn.
You cocky son of a bitch.
Spawn recon.
Wait! Sophie! Ah! Rogan!
That's good shooting.
Spawn recon.
It's all right, ma'am. I got him.
Oh, scared!
Alien movement!
Bastards just killed him.
We're meeting G over there.
Hey!
Let's hurry.
Yeah, all right!
Now think about it.
Touchdown!
We have no time. Run!
Get out of here. Hey, what did I ever do to you? Looks like we're in for a long day today.
Lead the way, Calhoun.
Man, am I glad to see you.
Can't get any worse than this.
How much worse can it get? I need your help over here.
It's you!